Good day, sir. My name is John Fryer P. Rodriguez, and I am currently studying in the Bachelor of Science in Maritime Transportation, section of S3D. The importance of occupational safety and health and personal and advanced damage assessment and management systems are crucial for every seafarer, especially in the BSMT program. They help us understand the safety protocols, risk management, and emergency response skills necessary for handling dangerous situations at sea. Knowledge in OHS ensure that we prioritize safety for ourselves, our crew, and the environment. Meanwhile, PADAMS enables us to manage and mitigate potential damages on board, ensuring that we can act quickly and efficiently to protect the vessel, cargo, and the humans' lives. This course will equip me with the essential skills and knowledge to become a competent seafarer. By mastering OSH and PADAMS, I will be better prepared to handle real-life emergencies, prevent accidents, and ensure a safe working environment. As they say, a smooth sea never made a skilled sailor. This course is my way of preparing for the unpredictable challenges of life at sea, and I am determined to become a skilled and successful seafarer. Thank you for listening. I look forward to learning more in this course and applying these vital skills in my future career. See you on deck.